Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
poor and illiterate in the state. And during the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana campaign, the SBI has opened the maximum accounts. During the COVID pandemic, the SBI has supported the state efforts by donating the ventilator, PPE kits, the shields, water bottles, dry rations, the state functionaries and the common man. The SBI has also taken a lot of efforts in the revival of the economy and by lending the small borrowers to the farmers, dairies and the fishermen too. The SBI has supported the more than 2,500 self-help groups by providing the base finance. And the lending resulted into the empowerment of the women. In addition to these efforts, the SBI is undertaking the CSR activity to help in the state. And now especially under the CSR activity, they are helping for the Gomantak Lokseva Trust, which is established in 1989.
Commercial banking, we do some social activity also, like you have seen in the COVID time also, bank has given some funds for the PM Care Fund, as well as a lot of activities were undertaken at the branches level here. Today we have donated this van as well as computer, fan, sewing machine to a society which are helping. The society's name is Gomantak Lokseva society, where we have donated them a van which will help they are actually helping the helpless ladies. They are giving them shelter, limitation to those ladies, and this van will help them in carrying those ladies to the city or for any other activity, as well as for vocational training also, the sewing machines, and it will also improve their daily life also by having fans and wall clock.